It's time for a road trip. We're headed to Central Florida. I had to share this absolutely beautiful view with you. While in Central Florida, I intend to do some plant shopping. I haven't done much plant shopping at all. I've been pretty much sheltering in place. So I want to get out and see what there is to see. Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida with a plant shopping trip to Lowe's Garden Center. And here we are at Lowe's. Woohoo! I'm so happy to be here. So I'm primarily just going to focus on the plants, the house plants. So I want to keep this video kind of short and I don't want to be in here too long. So just checking out to see what there is to see. Look at this Syngonium here. But I hear that Costa Farms has some new plants out. People have been finding some variegated Hindu rope in the big box stores and things like that. So I want to see what I've been missing out on. So hopefully this trip won't disappoint. It's been quite some time since I've been out of the house and doing any kind of shopping really. This is a nice basket of Fittonia. And that was $13.98. And just looking in general, it seems to be just pretty much the regulars. Although this isn't always something that you find here, the night blooming cactus. And at a good price as well. $14 for that. And here's a Kryptanthus. You don't find these very often. A red Star Cryptanthus. These are very easy to grow. And it is $3.98. And a Fittonia here. I believe these are Fittonias. I don't own any of these, so I always forget the names, but I think that's correct. And always some golden pothos. And oh, look at this Dracaena down here. I love these with the light green margins. Very nice looking. Dracaenas are hardy plants, very easy to grow. These are $11.98 Dorado Dracaena. I grow all of mine outdoors, but they're easy to grow indoors as well. They like it hot and humid. So let's see what else we see here. I can't believe that the Christmas trees and things are out. It's like mid-October. Anyway, let's see what's being offered here. They're even playing Christmas music. This is very interesting. It really does get earlier and earlier every year that they're putting the Christmas things out. So anyway, back to the houseplants. In general, like I said, much of the same that they always carry. I'm not seeing anything that's really catching my eye. These begonias are pretty cute though. Fuzzy begonias. $3.98. That's an excellent price. Because you know what you pay for begonias online. It's a Rex begonia. This is cute. I don't have any Rex begonia. I hear that they're a little bit more difficult than the angel wing begonias. Leave a comment below. Let me know your feelings on that. I have honestly never even tried to grow any. Look at this croton. I don't think I have this one. What is this? A bush on fire croton. Yeah, I don't have this one. It's pretty cool looking. Oops. I'm so clumsy. Sorry, plant. I didn't mean to smash you. Oh, goodness. They're going to throw me out of the store. And this Pepperomia here. It too is $3.98. You really can't go wrong on these small plants for $3.98. If there's something you're kind of like on the fence about or not sure how to care for, if you can keep it alive, that's when I always will gravitate more to the smaller plants. And $3.98, you can't go wrong in my book anyway. And I like the wicking cords. This is $3.98 as well. This Syngonium. It looks like it has glitter around the edges. It's like it's been decorated for Christmas or something. That's where it takes me. I don't know. I guess it's the Christmas music and the Christmas trees. Okay, I'm like all off track today. I'm just excited to be here. It's been so long since I did a shopping video. Look at this. This is a cool looking fern. I've seen these before online. I've never seen them in person. These are pretty cool looking. I don't know what they're called. And I don't see a price on this one. I like the wicks out of the bottom where you can just sit them in a pot of water and they self-water. These are $11.98, but this pot isn't as full as the other one, so I don't know what the price is on that other one. Okay, here's one just like it, so I can do a price check and see. $11.98. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. I don't know anything about ferns, but if I was to buy a fern, I would get this one. I think it's pretty cool looking. I do have a couple out in my yard though. Look at all that Christmas stuff. It's just amazing. We haven't had Halloween, Thanksgiving, any of that. And we're full effect for Christmas. This is a cool looking, I think it's a waffle plant. Yeah, another plant that I've never had, but I always look at. I think these are pretty cool looking. I like the texture and I like the colors. Yeah, not much in here that you don't always see when you come to the big box store. Let's see. Oh, look at this Dracaena. And oh, here's a Costa Farms Triangularis, Ficus Triangularis. I heard that these were out. And yeah, but this is not a Costa Farms display that this is on. And even though most of the leaves are off of this, I love the way this looks. I think it's cool looking with just the leaves on the bottom. I mean, on the top, on the, you know what I'm saying, right? And here's one of the Bromeliads that I've been wanting forever. I don't know the name of this Bromeliad, but I do know that they're pricey normally. And from what I understand, it's Costa Farms as well. And I'm getting this plant. Yes, I know some of you are probably saying, why don't you get one that has all the leaves? Well, this is the only one I see. And, excuse me, I also really like the way it looks. It's $18. You can't beat that. Okay, you probably could at like Walmart or something, but I'm not out and about a lot, and this is the first one that I've seen, and I like it that the leaves are just on the tips of the stems. See, this is not a Costa Farms display. It's an Urban Jungle display. I don't know. Yeah, maybe they had the Costa Farms display out, and this was all that's left. So I'm getting these two plants. So see, I was meant to come here today. Let's see, anything else? Diphyllobacia. This is that dragon's tongue plant. See that all the time. $3.98 as well. Golden pothos as always. You know, you can always find golden pothos in the big box stores. Look at this Begonia basket. This is nice. Really nice. $13.98. Oh, look at this Aglaonema. I really like this. With the narrow leaves and the white in them. Oh, this is very nice. I like that. And a string of bananas for $11, which I will not buy another string of anything that's not a string of hearts because they're the only ones I can keep alive for some reason. But here's an anthurium. I'm trying not to buy many plants since I'm in the process of moving plants from the Keys to my house in Central Florida. Haven't moved a lot. We had to get the sprinkler system put in first, but I have moved my first load of plants, and I'll show you guys some stuff on that. Here's a Medallion Calathea, and it's $10. Not bad. I've been really wanting one of these. I almost ordered one online. And more of the Kryptanthus. They are so easy to grow. And different plants. They're in the Bromeliad family. This is a red star. Very easy, and they require very little care. And they're perfect for like terrariums and things like that. And Sansevieria, here's some succulents. I haven't bought succulents in so long. I actually started my plant journey with succulents, believe it or not, which is probably why I tend to underwater all of my plants. But yeah, so just the standard succulents that they always have. Not seeing anything too different here, but I still like to come over and peek at them, even though I'm not really making too many plant purchases right now, because I'm always like, do I leave them here in Central Florida, or do I take them back to the Keys when I'm trying to move all my plants anyway? It's a mess. Anyway, some cactus plants down here, some cacti. And then the cactus plants with the glued on thing, which I don't understand. And then some grafted cactus. So, and some bamboo plants. I like these better than the braided bamboo. That's pretty cool looking. Very nice. And the Costa Farms pot. I call those Costa Farms pot because they're always the ones from the Trending Tropicals. Some more Aglaonema. Nice looking in a plastic pot for a good price. So yeah, not seeing anything that's really different today. So I feel a little bit better actually. I don't feel like I've been missing out on a lot, and I was able to get some Costa Farms display plants. So cool. Here's your pumpkins from your pumpkin patch for you all who decorate for fall, which I think is so cool. And every year I say, oh, I'm going to decorate for fall next year. And I never do. I guess it's just not my thing, but I think it's very cool for people who do. And not seeing much. I was hoping to see more hanging plants out here, but I don't. Some Dracaena. Some sago palms. Yeah. Some snake plants. Good price though. Excellent prices. And more Dracaena. Love these for the color. Add some nice deep color to your landscape or plant collection at a very reasonable price. And some ZZ plants. These are big. Oh, $50. They should be big. And let's see, the prices on ZZ plants have really come down. It's like that with all plants, I guess. When they're very popular, they cost so much in the beginning, and then when they become more common, of course, it goes down. White Bird of Paradise. These are huge White Bird of Paradise, and they are $50. I would love to have these at my house. My Bird of Paradise is not doing well. It's on my patio, and it's just not doing well. But right now, I'm just trying to get things moved, so who knows where that's gonna go. But these are nice looking. All right, I think that's pretty much about it. Here's what I'm taking with me. And I thank you for coming along with me on this shopping trip. Take care. That's about it. See you next time. Bye-bye.